Welcome to Tapswap daily combo. Alright, in my video, the previous video I uploaded before now, I explained how to boost your profit per hour, how to earn more gem in these stream tokens. Okay, so today let's quickly head to the text tab and begin to provide our answers one after the other. So for travel and earn money, the answer is bag, so BAG. So I'll click on this and click on submit. Okay, if you have this kind of issue like this, just make sure you change your answer to small case and click on submit again. As you can see, we have that completed. I'll click on finish, then I'll claim my rewards, which also give me one stream token. You can see I have 91 now. All right, so the next one is stable crypto news. This require no code, so just click on check and click on finish mission, then claim your rewards as well. Okay, so make your first $100,000. The answer to that actually is moon, so just like you can see on screen. So I'll click on submit. Okay, so the same thing happened, just make sure you change it to lowercase and click on submit and finish mission, so claim your rewards. All right, let's head back again. So we have what is dosing part 2. This has no code as well, so just click on check the code, finish mission, then claim your rewards as well. Okay, wait for this to okay, now we can claim our rewards. All right, you see that by the time I head back, I have 2 million rewards to claim. I'll click on this also. Then we have more text to complete. So for you not to stretch your time watching a long video and providing answer to all of these, all you just have to do is head to the website available in the video description below, and you'll be able to find code for all of this in that website. So let's head to the what's it called, to the town section, TappyTown, and I'll explain more on what I explained previously. So if you don't get that, you can see I claim 166 gems, and that is because I have invested in this particular house, which is already in level 5. Okay, so now if I'm going to upgrade to level 6, it's just going to charge me one of these stream tokens, and it will take 60 minutes to do that. All right, so the next thing I want to do is want to head to Dogtown, and you can see Dogtown requires karaoke to be in level 2, and excuse me, this requires trampoline to be in level 2 before we can actually get this also. So, and that is how it goes. And if you add here, this also requires this to be in level 5, and that is what you need to do. You need to make sure that you already have them in that level before you can buy. So this only requires that Tapflix, this is karaoke now, it's required that Tapflix rather is in level 5, which we have done. So I'm going to buy this, and it only takes 7 seconds on the first purchase to actually get to the first level, and I need to take this to level 2, which should be available in 20 seconds time. So I'll wait for that, then upgrade to level 2 so that I'll be able to buy Dogtown and some other town as well. All right, so let's just give it that time. Okay, for me to be able to take this to level 2, as you can see here, it's either I wait or I actually do this, take monument to token to level 2. So we have to find that particular building, monument to token. This is cooking hub, this is Prisco fountain, and we can actually buy this monument to ton coin, sorry. So I can upgrade again, and this will take 52 seconds. Okay, so if I actually don't want to wait, I can just use gems. Just like you can see here, I can speed up with one gem, but I could wait. Yeah, I could wait. I could use the wait. So we can head back to other ones and see which one is available for purchase, then which one requires upgrading. Okay, I can buy this to level 3 now, sorry, to level 1, to take 7 seconds for the first purchase. Alright, so I need to take factory to level 2 to be able to upgrade this also, and this is not available. This is Tapflix, taking it to level 6, and that is just how you go on with the houses here. Tappy house. So you can see all these are not available yet, and when you click on them, it will tell you what is required for you to be able to get each of them. So make sure you keep upgrading, because the higher the upgrade, the higher the bonus you actually get. You can see buy builder with 100 gem. This will help you to build your house instead of you having to build each of them one after the other. Once you are able to pay 100 gems, for example, I have 109 gems here. If I pay 100 gems, it will begin to build this house for me one after the other. So the choice is yours. It's either you have to wait to actually build up those houses, or you just pay 100 gems for it to automatically begin to do that for you. Alright, so if you find this very helpful and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, and if you are subscribed already, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any important information. Thank you, and do have a wonderful day.